Hello class 2. Welcome to your GK class children. Today in this class we will do page number 67 and chapter 44. Okay, this chapter is 44, 4444, and the name of the chapter is Dances of India. What is the name of the chapter? Dances of India. And here we learn more about the famous dances of our country. We all love to dance, right? So here in our country has a rich heritage, cultural heritage. So we have some famous dances in our country. Okay. So today in this class we learn about some of the important and famous dances of our country. And the name of the chapter is Dances of India. So open your book at page number 67. Page number 67 and chapter number is 44. 4444. Right? Here you can see different dances. 4 dances are given here. 4 forms of dances. So you have to write the name of the dance. Okay. And from where you will come to know more about the dances, where this dance originates. Okay, so you learn more about these dances in this chapter. So what you have to do here is write the name of the dance below its picture. You can see the picture. Down the picture you'll find a space. There you have to write down the name of the dance. Okay, first one. See, and options are given. First one is Kathakali, then Odissi, Kathak, Manipuri, Bharatanatyam, and then Kuchipudi. So the first one, number A, this dance is from Orissa. So from Orissa, female dancers wear a white shola headdresses here. Okay, in the head they wear a shola headdresses. So it is from the state of Orissa. What kind of dance is this? What do we call this dance? We call it Odissi. We call it Odissi. So you can write the number here above Odissi, and below you can write Odissi. 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 Okay. Then number B. Number B from Kerala. The number B, this dance is from Kerala. Dancer paints their face. In this dance, the dancers, they paint their face. And this dance is called Kathakali. What is this called? Kathakali. 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 This dance is called Kathakali. Number 1 is Odissi. Then number 2 is Kathakali. Here they paint their face. In this dance they paint their face, and it is from Kerala. Okay, then the first one is from Odisha. Now the third one. It is from Tamil Nadu. Dancers often paint a red circle on their palm. On their palm they paint a red circle, and this dance is called Bharatnatyam. So Bharat, Bharatnatyam, Natyam, Bharatnatyam. See, this is called Bharatnatyam. So they make a red circle on their palm. Options are also given. Then we'll come here. Okay, this dance is from Manipur. From Manipur, the fourth one, number D. A dancer may wear a round skirt. Here the dancer wears a round skirt. So, and this dance is called Manipuri. M-A-N-I, Mani, P-U-R-I, Puri. Manipuri dance. Okay, this is Manipuri dance. M-A-N-I, Mani, P-U-R-I, Manipuri. Then we'll go to the fifth one. This dance is from North India. Began as a dance that told a katha. Okay, it began as a dance that told a katha. Means it began as a dance and it is called katha. Katha means story. Okay, so the name of this dance is Kathak. 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 It began as a Katha. So it is Kathak. Kathak. K-A-T-H-A-K. Kathak. K-A-T-H-A-K. Kathak. Then the last one, it is from Andhra Pradesh, number 8. A dancer may balance a pot on his head. Here, a dancer, they have to balance a pot. They keep a pot on their head and then they balance it. And this dance is from Andhra Pradesh. And this is called Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi dance. K-U-C-H-I. Kuchi. P-U-D-I. Kuchipudi. Done. So these are the name of 6 dances that we have learned in this chapter. First one is Odissi, second one is Kathakali, third one is Bharatnatyam, fourth one is Manipuri, then Kathak, means the fifth one is Kathak, and then the last one, if number sixth one is Kuchipudi. Done? Write it down properly. Then we'll move to number 2. Where are these folk dances most popular? You have to tick. You will find 3 options below a dance. Then you have to write down where this dance is famous. Okay, you have to tick on the correct option. These all are folk dances. Number 1, Bhangra. Bhangra is famous in which state? Maharashtra, Punjab or Kerala? Bhangra is popular in Punjab. You have to tick above Punjab. You have to tick Punjab. Then number B, Bihu. Bihu is famous in Assam, Maharashtra or Karnataka. Which place? Bihu is famous in Assam. So you have to put a tick here. Like here you will give Punjab. Then B, Bihu is famous in Assam. 3 options you got. Assam, Maharashtra and the third one is Karnataka. As it is famous in Assam, so we put a tick here. Same way, Bhangra is famous in Punjab. Then the third one, Dandiya. Dandiya is famous in Haryana, Bihar or Gujarat. So Dandiya is famous in Gujarat. So you will have to put a tick mark above Gujarat. Then number D, Chhau dance. Chhau dance. Chhau dance is famous in West Bengal, Goa or Meghalaya. Chhau dance is famous in West Bengal. So you have to put a tick here. West Bengal, and here Dandiya is famous in Gujarat. So such type of questions you will get in the exam. So be prepared for that. Do it properly and send it for correction. Thank you.